Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Peptonix subscription cancellation process. How to cancel Peptonix subscription. Okay, so basically when you buy any treatment, as you know very well, they have option subscribe and save. When you choose the option, they will activate subscription on your account, and if you want product or not, they will charge on your account. So the first thing you can do, like you need to provide at least 7 days notice period before your next billing cycle, or before your, you can say like end of your subscription. Okay, so the first thing, the cancellation is very hard. Okay, you need to follow three methods. You can try one by one, or you can try three at a time. You can get help and you can cancel your subscription by using these three ways. The first method is like little bit, you can say like hard, and you need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. You need to compose a proper email. In the email you can take help from ChatGPT also, and once your email is done, in the email and you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. And once your email is done, you need to send the email at this email address, support@peptonix.com. And once you send the email, once they receive your email, they will, you can like provide confirmation of your email that your subscription is ended. Okay, if you don't get any kind of email from their side, it means your subscription is active, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support related to proof of cancellation. If this method will not work, so you need to visit on this page, like manage subscription page. But this page will not work for each and everyone, because in today's time this page is not working right now. You can see this page is not opening right now. So that's why I'm telling you in the starting, the subscription cancellation is very hard. Okay, so when you visit on this page, if you are a lucky person, if your link will open, then you can manage subscription by login into your account. If in as my experience, the login button will not available from, you can say like, because this kind of brand does not provide cancellation very easily. Okay, so if you are lucky one, you can follow this method. But if you are facing issues related to login, you can also do one thing. You can contact your credit card provider. You can make a request like you want to cancel your unwanted subscription, that is like Peptonix. You can mention, and you can ask your credit card provider like how many subscription you have. They will tell you, and you can select the subscription, and you can make a request like you want to end this membership right now. Okay, so they will only cancel your subscription, and there is no other way. Or you can close your credit card, you can reapply another one, and these are the only options to cancel your subscription. There is no other options for cancellation. So that's why in the starting I have mentioned like the cancellation is very hard. Okay, so these are the things. Please mention in our comment section which method is best for you and which method will work for you. So by your comment, lots of people will get, you can like help from your comment. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.